In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wise on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove the app from your device quickly and confidently, with a few helpful tips so there are no surprises along the way. Start by locating the Wise app icon on your iPhone. You'll usually find it on one of your home screen pages. If you have a lot of apps and don't see it right away, swipe down on the home screen to use the search bar and type the app's name, or swipe to the app library and look for it there. The goal is simply to get to the Wise icon so you're ready to remove it. Once you've found the icon, tap and hold it. After a brief press, you'll see a small menu appear next to the icon. On some iPhones, the icons may start to wiggle. Either way is fine. From the menu that appears, select Remove App. This is the option that begins the deletion process from your home screen. When you tap Remove App, your iPhone will show a confirmation prompt. Here's the important part. Choose Delete App to fully uninstall Wise from your device. If you see an option that says Remove from Home Screen, that only hides the app and keeps it installed in your app library, which won't free up storage or sign you out. To actually delete it, make sure you pick Delete App and then confirm if you're asked again. After a moment, the Wise icon disappears and the app is removed from your iPhone. A few quick notes to keep things clear. Deleting the app removes it and its local data from your phone, but it does not close your Wise account or affect any of your balances or transfers. If you ever need to use Wise again, you can download it from the App Store and sign back in. It's a good idea to make sure you remember your login details and any two-factor authentication method you use, so getting back in later is smooth. Also, once the app is deleted, push notifications from Wise will stop on this device. And that's all there is to it. Locate the Wise app icon, tap and hold it, select Remove App, confirm Delete App, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any part to follow along as you clean up your home screen.